Welcome back to the channel. This is June Jones Auto and Classics. Here I wanted to bring y'all this beautiful Ford Bronco. It is a 1974 Ford Bronco, original everything. This is going on the auction block. Now this vehicle right here, a 1974 beautiful Bronco. I'm gonna go around to the other side. The door locked on me. You're not gonna find one this beautiful at all. 74, it sounds amazing. Nice original. Got some nice wheels on there. Nice seats. Nice B&M shifter. Lifted just right. This vehicle will be going for auction. This is a one-of-a-kind classic. If you like this type of content, can I get a like and subscribe? We keep up with the car market, classic cars, dealer only, quick flips, muscle cars, trucks, Mannheim, Odessa. We deal with all auctions in all 50 states. We keep up with the prices. So if you're into this content, you like to see original cars, original pieces, things you'll never see. Not that often on the road, say the least. Get y'all some inside footage. Nice vehicle. Let me get up in here. These bucket seats, man, kind of remind me of Recaro seats. These some nice buckets. Look at them. I don't know what the reserve gonna be on this, but let's hear it. Sounds amazing. So I wanted to bring y'all this vehicle. I will be bringing y'all some more prices. See y'all on the next one. This is June Jones. I'm out.